this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the I can't make my mind up, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to be honest, a point of view, so tell me that you're leaving.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I finally got a mic and so I decided to make this video a voiceover. So today I'm gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine. My skin was feeling real good, so I decided to do a makeup video. Like, this is the best my skin has looked in freaking months. So I'm putting on a headband, gotta get them hairs out of my face because they be so annoying, I'm not even gonna lie. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and apply some sunscreen primer. It's actually supposed to be a setting, but I use it as the primer because I don't want it to be on top of my makeup, I want it under. For foundation, I'm gonna use my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've been using this exact one for like hella years, and honestly, it doesn't even match my face, but I make it match using a darker shade of concealer and I just kind of mix it in. So I like to do my entire makeup routine using brushes. I just think they're a lot faster, to be honest. Like, I don't got time to be sitting on my vanity for an hour. No. And in case you guys are wondering where I get my brushes, I just get them from BH Cosmetics. They're really affordable. They're freaking cheap actually, but they're immaculate. I love them. Some of my brushes, like my foundation brush, is from El Maquillage, but a lot of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. And if you guys don't want your makeup to look cakey, just blend, guys. Just blend a lot and a lot. Alright guys, we're done with the foundation and now we gotta move on to concealer. So I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is my favorite concealer and guys, I've used a lot. I honestly prefer this one over every other concealer I've tried, from high-end to drugstore. This is the best. I love this concealer because it has really good coverage, and on top of that, it is flashback free, y'all. So y'all can take your cute Instagram pictures and your makeup will look A1. Okay, so this is just a random thought, but y'all know how on TikTok people have been doing their concealer like up the cheekbone to make it look very cat-eye. What's crazy is that I've literally been doing this since I freaking started doing makeup. I always knew that it did that cat-eye thing, so it's crazy that people on TikTok are doing it now. It makes me feel like I'm a genius or something. Alright guys, so now it is time for baking. Y'all know I have a really oily face, so I have to bake, whether that is for a really matte makeup look or a super glowy makeup look. Like, I'm always freaking baking. But I'm using the Makeup Revolution Loose Baking Powder. This is my absolute favorite baking powder I've ever freaking tried. And the fact that it's so affordable too, y'all can literally get this at Target. Oh yeah, and I totally forgot to mention this, but the primer I used was the Milani Setting Spray. It's the one in the white bottle with the SPF. Yeah, it's that good stuff. I don't really know if that's what's been making my skin good. It's either that or it's the sun outside that's been shining since spring has started, but my skin has been immaculate these days. Okay, so now I'm gonna like contour but also like bronze my face. I like using like regular setting powders for this that are like darker shades in my skin. I think that they're less orangey than like bronzers you can buy at the store. So yeah, I like to just bronze or contour my face during the baking process, and then I just wipe it all at the end to make the bronzing look a little softer. But I also like to contour my nose with this. I like to make a line over my nose and then I kind of just make the lines on the side. I really like doing that button nose kind of contour these days. I think it just makes my nose look really good. Doing voiceovers is so fun, guys. Like, y'all should try it. This is kind of therapeutic. Like, ooh, let me find out I'm gonna be the next Michelle Phan. Like, look at me, so fancy doing my makeup and doing a voiceover. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm so annoying. Okay, so now it's time for eyebrows. I like to use the Jason Wu eyebrow powder. I prefer eyebrow powders over everything else. I just think they look a lot more natural. I got this from Target, so y'all should head there if you guys want a really good eyebrow powder because I've been really loving this one. It's like the perfect shade if you have like really dark hair. Even though I have blonde hair, I still do my eyebrows the same way I would if I had black hair. I just really like having that like bold eyebrow look. And then I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to conceal my brows. If you guys don't conceal your brows, I swear this will just change your makeup look. It just looks a lot more slick and cleaner, especially when I take pictures with flash on. My eyebrows look a lot more clean and defined, so I definitely would recommend that you guys conceal your eyebrows if you guys really want to have a snatched makeup look. And for those of you guys who just started makeup and you guys don't really know what eyebrow shape to try out, I definitely recommend trying all of them. Just see what matches your face or makes you feel the most confident. I started off with really arched and dark eyebrows, but just this past year I switched over to straight eyebrows and guys, my life has changed. I freaking love it. And then I'm going to use this brush to just blend all the concealer around my eyebrows out. That way it looks really natural and you just can't tell that I concealed my eyebrows, you know? And then I go back with my bronzer to make sure my forehead doesn't look super light. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm using the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX. This is one of my favorite eyeliners I've ever freaking tried because I swear it never dies. The way I do my eyeliner is that I never start at the very corner of my eye. I start a little bit higher and then I make a line and then I just connect it, and that's basically how I do it. But key tip is just to never start at the very corner of your eye. You don't want your eyeliner to not look straight, because every time I start my eyeliner at the corner, my eyeliner starts looking really curvy and I just don't like it like that, you know? And then I like to use the duo glue for my lashes. It's just my favorite one. The way I like to apply lashes is that I grab a tweezer, grab my lash, and I put it near my eye, and then I stick it on from the middle first, and then I stick on the end, but I stick it a little higher, that way my eye looks a little bit more fox eye, and then I go to the beginning and stick the beginning on. My biggest tip for anyone who's putting on lashes is to make sure that you curl your lashes. That way the lashes sit on your eyes and they don't look droopy, they're just sitting there looking all beautiful and displaying the way they're supposed to, you know? Now I'm using the Benefit Gallifornia Blush. This is my favorite blush ever. It's like this pink but a little bit of a peach color. Y'all know I love blush, so I kind of go ham with this. I go all over my cheeks and on the tip of my nose and even my chin. Blush is literally my favorite part of my makeup. Like, it just makes me so happy. Okay, so now it's time for highlighter. I'm using the Revolution highlighter in pale gold. This highlighter is hella pigmented, so I definitely recommend it. I literally just got it at Target, so y'all just go to Target. They have some good stuff. I like to apply highlighter at the tip and on the bridge. That way the highlighter on the tip makes my tippy of the nose look a little bit higher. That way it gives the illusion of like a button nose. So after I apply all that makeup, my beauty mark basically goes away. I like to use the Jason Wu Freckle Maker. So now it's time for lipstick. I apply the Kaja lipstick in Ride or Die, and then I go in with Orange Crush, which is this e.l.f. lipstick. I'm really into my blushes being really peachy and my lipstick being a little bit more orangey. That's just my taste, you know? So yeah guys, that was my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more voiceover videos, because this was so fun. Anyways, I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
This is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the I can't make my mind up, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to be honest, a point of view. So you tell me that you